Mr. Beach is a calendar year accrual basis taxpayer. His records concerning vacation pay for his employees reflect the following: $50,000 paid January 30th, year 2 for vacations earned in year 1, $100,000 vacation pay accrued and paid in year 2, $30,000 accrued in year 2 and paid March 15th, year 3, $4,000 accrued in year 2 and paid April 15th, year 3. All of the amounts were vested as of the last day of the tax year in which the vacation pay was earned. What amount can Mr. Beach deduct as a business expense for year 2? This question specifically asks for the deduction as a business expense. In order to have a business expense, we have to consider the types of business expenses. We should start with the general business deduction rule. Business expenses are allowed to be deducted if they're considered an ordinary, necessary expense paid or incurred during the taxable year in carrying on a trade or business, and they're substantiated. So if we meet all those elements, then we can deduct under Section 162. Now further, Section 162A1 permits a deduction for reasonable allowance for salaries or other personal services rendered, including bonuses. Now vacation is lumped with the wages and salaries because it has to do with respect of compensation. We base the numbers off those ideas, wages and compensation. So the reasonableness requirement is also required for vacation amount. This question specifically is dealing with when. We're asked about year 2. If you look at the facts, we have these numbers, and paying vacation to your employees is an ordinary, necessary expense for Section 162, assuming reasonable amounts for the vacation pay. They're going to be deductible, but the question is, when can they be deducted? Because these expenses relate to year 1, year 2, and year 3. Now, Mr. Beach is an accrual basis taxpayer, which is very important. Accrual basis taxpayers deduct vacation when it's paid. That's all we focus on, when it's paid. So let's look at when these 4 amounts are paid. The $50,000 is paid in year 2, the $100,000 is paid in year 2, the $30,000 is paid in year 3, the $4,000 is paid in year 3. Since the question is asking for year 2, we're going to add up all of the amounts that are paid in year 2, which is the $50,000 and the $100,000. So that's $150,000. So the correct answer here is C, $150,000. Now before I conclude, I just want to note that the other 2 amounts, the $30,000 and the $4,000, are going to be paid in year 3, so they can be deducted as vacation pay in year 3. But since this question is asking about year 2, the correct answer here is C, $150,000.